Opposition continuously stormed Parliament on day one of the monsoon session. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has hit out at the LOP, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, as he says this is Parliament which works as per procedure, not personal drawing room of Gandhi's siblings, that they would want it to function as per their wish.
ये भारत की संसद है। यहाँ विधि व्यवस्था, कानून, प्रक्रिया और परंपरा से सदन चलती है। ये राहुल गांधी जी और प्रियंका गांधी जी की निजी ड्राइंग रूम नहीं है। जब चाहे, जिसको चाहे, जिस प्रकार की भाषा से बात तो कर सकते हैं। ये भारत की संसद है। विधि व्यवस्था के तहत सभी को रहना पड़ेगा। वो भी चर्चा करें, चर्चा से खुद भाग रहे हैं, क्योंकि उनको ज़्यादा रुचि है पाकिस्तान की परस्त करना, ज़्यादा उनकी रुचि है भारत विपक्ष वाले ताकत को मदद करना। इसीलिए वो जवाबदेही तरीके से संसद में बोलना नहीं चाहते, बोल ही नहीं सकते हैं।
Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Tejshri, if the day one is any indication of how this is going to turn out, then serious concerns are being raised about the monsoon session. The opposition, especially Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, saying that he was not allowed to speak. Dharmendra Pradhan hitting out, saying there are procedures that have to be followed.
Well, absolutely. Since it's the first day of the Parliament's monsoon session, it was expected that it definitely will be politically quite volatile. But the kind of discussions that are taking place, it is not discussion, but rather than discussion, more of a protest kind of thing happening within the Parliament. But remember that from day one, in fact, Lok Sabha Speaker has been saying that the government is ready for the discussion, but let the discussion happen in a proper way. Remember what Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju mentioned, that the government is ready for all the kind of discussion. They are ready to give all the answers, but it should have happened in a proper manner according to the rules and regulations mentioned in the book. And what we were observing today was quite disrupting, because the kind of the manner in which the Lok Sabha began, within minutes the ruckus started in the Parliament, continuous sloganing. Then we saw that how the poster was also brought in. Not just that, but then the protests were also held within the chamber. But now the matter of the concern is that there are a number of bills that are to be tabled in the Lok Sabha. There are a number of discussions that are to be held, and in fact, there are question asked also that are to be held. But then, again, the question is that when all these things will be held. There are also the answers the government needs to answer, the questions that are being raised by several parties, the opposition parties as well. Government wants to answer those questions. But amidst all of this, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi and the Congress party is alleging that it is the government who is not allowing the leader of opposition to speak. They want to raise questions. They want to, hold government accountable for several things, but it is government who is not allowing to do so. We'll have to wait.
Political temperatures rising on day one of the monsoon session. Opposition alleging government not allowing them to speak. Government hits back, says there are procedures that need to be followed. The Parliament will not function as per the whims and fancies of the Gandhi family. Thank you very much, Tejshri, for getting us the details. Well, after non-stop sloganeering and disruption that led to back-to-back adjournments in Lok Sabha, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, and his sister and Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi have accused the government of muzzling the voice of the opposition. Rahul Gandhi has said that he was not allowed to speak, and Priyanka Gandhi too echoed his statement, saying, why did they not let the LOP speak?
नहीं, देखिए, सवाल ये है कि जो हाउस में डिफेंस मिनिस्टर को बोलने देते हैं, उनके लोगों को बोलने देते हैं, मगर अगर विपक्ष का कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है तो अलाउड नहीं है। मैं लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन हूँ, मेरा हक है, तो मुझे तो कभी बोलने ही नहीं देते हैं। तो ये एक नया अप्रोच है।
क्या सवाल चाहते हैं आप? क्या सवाल आप चाहते हैं सर, जो प्रधानमंत्री
बट दौड़ के निकले हाउस से 1 सेकंड में, तो डिस्कशन
चर्चा के लिए तैयार है आप लोग?
हाँ, चर्चा तो होगी, अगर वो अलाउ करेंगे तो होगी, मगर इशू ये है कि कन्वेंशन कहता है कि अगर सरकार के लोग कुछ बोलें तो हमें भी स्पेस मिलनी चाहिए। हम 2 शब्द कहना चाहते थे, मगर विपक्ष को ये अलाउड नहीं है। थैंक यू।
क्या सवाल क्या चाहता है? क्योंकि कहने प्रधानमंत्री से ही आप चाहते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री का स्टेटमेंट होना चाहिए, किसी मंत्री के स्टेटमेंट को क्या नहीं मानेगा?
तो चर्चा करें अगर तैयार है। अगर एलओपी को कुछ बोलना है 1 मिनट के लिए तो बोलने देना चाहिए। Adjournment motion. He was not allowed to speak today. He should be allowed to speak. He's the leader of the opposition.
Well, the BJP hit back at Rahul Gandhi. BJP MP Jagdambika Pal called Rahul Gandhi's allegations a lie and accused him of being irresponsible. Jagdambika Pal called Rahul Gandhi the most irresponsible leader of opposition for making such statements. Listen in.
He telling a lie. I think so. I was on chair.
Yes, sir.
I have appealed to Rahul Gandhi. Please kindly you ask to your own members to vacate the well and the house should be in the order. Certainly I will allow you. But I think so they have made up his mind. They were pre-decided. Even on the first day of monsoon session, they were not allowed to run the house. Even during question hour you have seen, the speaker was on chair. He was trying to take all the questions, but even he was only because of Congress party member of parliament and opposition. They have created such type of scene.
He's saying that I was not allowed to speak. Again and again Rahul Gandhi says this, and today also he came out and said the same.
His party was just into pandemonium and they were all in bell. So how Rahul Gandhi, I have already made a request to Rahul Gandhi, please kindly you ask to your members, they should vacate the well. I will allow you.
All right, we have some